All right, great day on the Suncoast, and even some people got some much-needed rain, although not a lot, but
Yeah,
a little bit.
I mean, it came down pretty heavy in some places like Tara and I-75 right there, State Road 70. We had some showers down in Inglewood and Northport as well, but most of that activity is now moving on, and we're not expecting a lot more. We are expecting this system maybe to become a tropical storm, or subtropical storm we'd call it, because it really hasn't developed in the tropics, and it has a chance at 30%. Looks rather healthy on the satellite imagery, some good rotation, circulation, a lot of convection developing near the center. If it were to develop, its name would be Subtropical Storm Arlene. That's right, we had a storm form out of season last year too, so this could be a trend. You see that frontal boundary though moving across the central Atlantic there is going to cause it to move off to the north. No problem to land, but just let you know that we're getting close, ever so close to the start. It goes fast, doesn't it, the tropical season for 2017. Vanway's a webcam showing a lot of clouds around today, a little bit more than we've seen, and that's a result of a little line of low pressure that got a little closer to us. Now that trough is starting to exit off into the Gulf of Mexico right now, so we won't see this tomorrow. We'll see a little bit more sunshine. Another cold front is due to arrive on Sunday. We're not going to see many of those as we head into June, and then a chance for rain on Sunday and Monday. So again, we get a few fronts in May, but June is when we don't see any more cold fronts come down this way, and maybe this one will cool us down just a few degrees, get us back to more normal as far as temperatures go. Well, satellite and radar imagery does show the cloudiness and a few showers for southwest Florida. It was great weather for the launch today, the rocket along the east coast, but all in all, things have been a little cloudy today, and we have some high clouds moving off from the west to the east, but generally the trough of low pressure is moving in a westerly direction right now. A few showers have been popping up here and there. We had some rain near Port Charlotte, Northport, and near Inglewood. Not everyone in those areas got rainfall, but there were a few showers, brief at times, and moderate rainfall at times. You can see that kind of showing up there quickly along US 41. Another one near Tara and I-75. Notice, though, that it's kind of fading away, too. Some brief showers still possible near US 301 and 41 into South Manatee County. Also another one right there popping up in northeast Sarasota County. So we're looking for just anything we can help at all around the area. Good news is that these storms are not producing lightning. The tops of these are only about 20,000 feet. You need to go a little bit higher than that to get lightning to generate with these cells. Again, system 30% chance of developing out there in the Atlantic. Not a problem. 81 degrees right now, 66 on the dew point, and winds are out of the west at 12. The barometer 30.07, still rather high. It's been kind of holding steady over the past 24 hours, and the high today was 85. Our normal at 81, 67 the morning low. And this is the same old story. Rainfall deficit now over 7 inches, and that continues to rise. The forecast for Wednesday. We'll start off into the mid-60s for lows tomorrow with sunshine around to start the day off, and then we'll warm up. A few more clouds will be on the increase in the afternoon, but not like we saw today. That trough should be out of the way as far as that goes. The winds will switch around to an easterly direction. We're getting them out of the west right now. That easterly flow will come with us, and then a switch around 3, 4 o'clock in the afternoon. We'll get more of a north to northwesterly wind, and that will keep things a bit cooler right near the coast. Inland areas could still see highs in the mid to upper 80s there. The RPM Futurecast showing that trough moving off to the west, and for us, high pressure builds in at the surface and the upper levels of the atmosphere. That means a lot of sunshine, a lot more tomorrow than we saw today, and then again on Thursday, same story. There's a chance for 1 or 2 lone showers on Thursday afternoon. And then a better chance comes over the weekend as a little system develops along a frontal system and gets hung up over North Florida. A low pressure area developing over our area will eventually bring us, as I said, a chance for showers on Sunday, Sunday night, and Monday. For boaters, tomorrow looks good. A light chop out there on the bays and inland waters. East winds turn to the northwest at 10 knots. A low tide upcoming 2:16, then a high at 9:52. Sunset at 7:56. Sunrise 7:01. Mostly cloudy. A few showers this evening and then clearing after midnight. Low temperatures a little bit above average. Tomorrow, look for the sun in the morning, a few clouds in the afternoon. 84 your high and warmer inland. East winds turn to the west at 5 to 10, a little northwest wind there. The extended forecast, look at that, 87 on Friday and Saturday. And then that front gets hung up over North Florida. A little low develops, brings us some clouds, a chance for showers, and then cooler. And cooler, I'm meaning 80-degree temperature for a high on Monday and that close near Tuesday as well.